Hello guys, welcome to you. In this video, we are going to see how to make a printer online from offline. It is a very easy and simple process and it's work with the all printers. Example as HP, Canon, Epson, Brother. It's work with the all printers and I give the multiple solution to fix this issue and I hope one of these solution is work for you. Before go to this video, if you not subscribe the channel, then subscribe the channel and also click on the bell icon. So let's go to our first method. We are going to the first basic and then go to the advanced method. Our basic method is power. Make sure your printer is power on and your printer Wi-Fi network and your PC or laptop Wi-Fi network are the same. Check your PC or laptop and printers are on the same Wi-Fi network using same Wi-Fi or the same router. This is our methods, and if this method is not working, then turn off your printer, remove the power cable, and after 1 minute insert your power cable and restart your printer and it's also work. If this method is not working for you, then go to our second method. Our second method is very easy and simple. First, go to our printer start and type control panel. In a control panel, click on the control panel. In a control panel, here we find many options. Click on the devices and printers. In a devices and printers, go to your problematic printer or offline printer. Right click on it. And here we find see what's printing. Click on the see what's printing. Close this. Here we find many options and here we find use printer is offline. It is an offline. Then go to the here printer and make sure use printer offline is not selected. Make sure it is not selected. Uncheck this. Close this. And in some cases this method is also work. If any case this method is not working, then go to our second method. Our third method is go to the start and type services and click on the services. In a services, we find many options. Here we find print spooler. Right click on the print spooler. Click on the properties. Here we find print spooler. If the startup type is automatic, make sure startup type is automatic and service status is running. If it's not running, then click on the start and click on apply. Click on the OK. And after that, go to the print spooler once again. Right click on it and click on the restart. Restart the print spooler. And after that, close it and restart your machine. And this method is also work for you. If this all methods are not working, then I give the another method. Another method is go to the start, type printers and scanners. Click on the printers and scanners. In a printers and scanners, go to the your problematic printer. Here is my problematic printer. Click on that. Click on the manage. Here we find printer properties, not a printing preferences. Go to the printer properties. Click on the printer properties. Close it or minimize it. In a printer properties, go to the ports. Click on the ports. In a ports, select your port. Whatever your port is selected, select that port. Click on the config port. Here we find SNMP status enable. Unselect it. Uncheck this. Unselect it. Click on OK. Click on apply. Click on the close and restart your machine, and this method is also work. If this all methods are not working, then I give the another method. Another method is go to the start, type printers and scanners. Click on the printers and scanners. Select your problematic printer. Click on the manage, not a manage. Click out here and click on remove device. Click on remove device, and after remove device, power on the your printer, power off the your printer, and after that power on it and go to the add printer or scanner. In many cases, it's automatically detect your printer. If it's not automatically detect, then go to the printer that I want isn't listed and install the printer manually or by the website of your printer and install it, reinstall it, and that's also solve your problem. This is our multiple methods to solve this simple problem in Windows 10 PC or laptop. So guys, thank you for watching this video. Don't forget to like, share, comment on this video and don't forget to subscribe the channel. Thank you guys.